Greetings from Versailles in the 1770s. Today we're going to learn about opening champagne bottles properly. Thanks to cinema and television and other newfangled contraptions, everyone is under the impression that the proper way to open a bottle of champagne is to shake it up and let it pop and spill all over the place. Plebeians, why would you spill half of your champagne all over the floor when you could drink it? Spilling your champagne is just for the peasants. A properly opened bottle of champagne should open with not but a sigh. That is the mark of a true expert. Now, bien sûr, you can't always control what happens to your bottle before it makes it to the palace. So even an expert could potentially make some noise if it gets shaken or mistreated before it reaches the palace. But here is a technique that is almost foolproof for opening it properly. Remove the foil and tilt the bottle away from your gown. Then undo the cage and remove it. Remember, the bottle of champagne is under pressure, and even careful handling might make the cork fly, so don't point it toward anything valuable. I usually aim it toward the hilt. Grasp the bottle with your dominant hand and place the palm of your non-dominant hand over the cork. You may use a towel if you wish to protect your hand. Now for the trick. Twist the bottle, not the cork. Do it slowly. We are rich. We have all the time in the world. Ha 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 ha. Now that is a properly opened bottle of champagne. Salut!